Event-driven architecture is one of the most popular architectural styles in the software world right now, and its popularity just keeps growing, and for good reasons. It offers great scaling and flexibility, which helps designing loosely coupled, extremely effective systems. That also means that architects and developers who are familiar with event-driven architecture are in very high demand. In this course, we are going to cover all that there is to know about this exciting architecture style, from the very basics of what is in fact an event, to the classic event-driven architecture components, and even touch advanced topics such as orchestration, choreography, event sourcing and CQRS, the Saga Pattern, and lots more. In addition, we will also discuss when we should use event-driven architecture. After all, not all systems are suitable for this type of architecture, and implementing it when it does not belong will just make your life much harder. Now, in order to make this course as practical as possible, we are going to end it with a real-world case study. In this case study, we are going to design a system for handling telemetry from external sensors and then processing it and notifying users about it. But we are not going to stop there. After designing the system, we are actually going to build it using engines such as RabbitMQ and SignalR. And don't worry, you don't need to be familiar with these engines. We will learn all about them in the course. In fact, you don't even have to be a developer. I'll guide you throughout the whole process. This course is part of the acclaimed software architecture series of courses. This series attracted hundreds of thousands of students from more than 160 countries and gained amazing reviews. So, enroll now to this course and become an even better software architect.